Welcome back. It is possible to use PowerPoint on your mobile device. And you can do that by going to your application store. You'll then want to search for PowerPoint. You can either install all of Microsoft Office if your subscription fits it, or you can just install PowerPoint. We are going to install PowerPoint. Once the install process is complete, you can then click Open. You can then either sign up for free or you can sign into your existing account. You will want to then use your existing Microsoft account. You can choose to turn on mobile notifications or you can choose to leave them off. What you can then do is to go to your home area. When you go to your home area, you will then see the presentations that you already have on your online account. And you will see this on your desktop. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.